Morning students, we are learned for last lectures contents of article of association. Content of article of association, last lecture we are learned 1 to 10 contents. Another content we are learned today here is the first borrowing powers of the company and the mode of borrowing. Borrow money, debentures, etc. They are the borrow money. They is also making the some rules for article of association. Issue of share certificate, including procedure for issue of duplicate share certificates. Constitutions and compositions of audit committee, remuneration committee, corporate social responsibility committee. Next, provision for winding up of a company, arbitrarians, indemnity, etc. This is the some contents of the article of association. Borrowing powers of the company and the mode of borrowing. Borrow capitals. Borrow capitals, they are the coming for debentures, bond, deposit. It all are the borrowed capitals, and these the powers of the company and mode of company. That's rules and regulations we are decide in the contents of article of association. Issue of share certificate, including procedure for the issue of duplicate share certificate. Share certificate, original share certificate, shareholders are lost. That's another certificate issue the company, and that is the duplicate share certificate are issue. That's what procedures. They are the mentions in the contents of article of association. Constitutions of compositions of audit committee, remuneration committee, corporate social responsibility committee is also the rules and regulations are mentioned for the contents of article of association. Provision for the winding up of the company, that the end of the company, what the provisions are here, arbitrations of the indemnities are, uncertainly any risk are coming, the which rules we are follow, that's all are mentions in the article of association. There is the contents of article of association. Next one's article of association. So a private company must contain three restrictions. Which company are three restrictions? Private company. First, limit the number of members to 200. प्राइवेट कंपनी का मैक्सिमम नंबर्स कितना रहेगा? 200. रिस्ट्रिक्ट राइट टू ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ शेयर. जब भी ट्रांसफ़र कोई भी प्राइवेट कंपनी अपना शेयर क्या नहीं कर सकती? ट्रांसफ़र नहीं कर सकती. प्रोहिबिटेड इनवाइटिंग पब्लिक टू बाई इट शेयर्स, डिबेंचर्स और एनी सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द कंपनी. यहाँ पे कोई भी इनवाइट नहीं कर सकती किसको? प्राइवेट पब्लिक को इनवाइट नहीं करेंगे शेयर के लिए, डिबेंचर्स के लिए और सिक्योरिटीज़ के लिए. ये तीनों रूल्स रहेंगे प्राइवेट कंपनी के लिए. कॉन्टेंट्स एंड रिस्ट्रिक्शन. अल्टरेशन ऑफ आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन. जब भी हमारा आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन है उसमें अल्टरेशन क्या रहेगा, उसमें हम क्या चेंजेस कर सकते हैं? इज द फर्स्ट, कंपनी एक्ट स्टेट that subject to the provisions of the act and the condition contents in the memorandum of association, a company can alter its article of association by passing a special resolution in the general meetings of the company. जब भी कोई भी अल्टरेशन करना है, चेंजेस करना है कंपनी के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस में, तो कंपनी को एक स्पेशल रिजोल्यूशन पास करना होगा. कौन सी मीटिंग में? जनरल मीटिंग में. स्पेशल रिजोल्यूशन मतलब 75% वोटिंग राइट होनी चाहिए. तो ये रिजोल्यूशन पास होगा कहाँ पे? जनरल मीटिंग में. अदर्स वंस. नेक्स्ट, कंपनी कैन अल्टर इट्स आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन इन द फॉलोइंग वे. कहाँ पे वो अल्टर कर सकती है? बाय एडॉप्शन ऑफ न्यू सेट ऑफ एन आर्टिकल. नया सेटअप करना है, न्यू रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस उसको बनाना है, तब भी वो उससे चेंजेस करते हैं. बाय डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ एन आर्टिकल. जब भी डिक्लेयर करना है तभी डिलेशन ऑफ द आर्टिकल, कुछ डिलेशन करना है. बाय एडिशंस और इंसरेशंस ऑफ ए न्यू आर्टिकल, कुछ ऐड करना है आर्टिकल में न्यू. देन सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ आर्टिकल, कुछ चेंजेस करना है, अमेंडमेंट ऑफ चेंजेस करना है. तो ये सभी बातों के लिए यहाँ पे alterations in the article of association are coming here. Next ones are the doctrines of indoor management. It is the expected fast that certain information which is internal to a company cannot be known by the outsider. Hence, they act in accordance to the information they get from the memorandum of association and article of the association. Doctrines of indoor management state that person entering into a contract with the company need not inquire whether the company or its officers have properly followed the internal proceeding as stated in the articles. Doctrine of indoor management protect the interests of the outsiders when they act based on the memorandums and article of association of the company, and outsiders are not bound to inquiry into the regulating of the internal procedures. That's all are the we are learned today here contents of article of association, and that's the alterations of the alteration of article of association. Now assignment question, write the contents of article of association. Thank you students.